chest press in a dead bug position. So dead bug position means that our legs are floated up into tabletop, knees and feet glued together. Bring both arms up towards the ceiling, palms facing away from you. You're going to inhale here, exhale to slowly lower the arms down on about a 45-degree angle. Exhale to press back up. As you lower the arms, be thoughtful that your rib cage to pelvis connection is maintained so that your core is staying on to help support you throughout the motion. If you notice that happening and losing that connection, then just lower the arms as much as you can without losing your core stability. And then as you get stronger, you'll be able to lower the arms down further. Kneeling push-up. So bring your knees about hip distance apart and then press your pelvis forward with your wrists right underneath your shoulders. A lot of times people do their kneeling push-ups, but they're kind of back here, and so their hips are actually a little bit more over their knees, and I want you to have a nice long line from your shoulder to your pelvis to your knees. So I'm connecting the front of my pelvis to the front of my rib cage. My gaze is looking straight ahead and making sure that I'm holding that imaginary orange under my chin here throughout the motion so that my head or my neck doesn't jut out in the process. So my hands are a little bit wider than shoulder distance. I'm going to inhale here, slowly lower back down. Exhale to push back up. So again, I inhale, maintaining that connection around my orange and my core, and using my breath to press me back up since that's the hard phase of the exercise. I want you to maintain a depth that allows you to maintain good form. So if that means you're only able to go halfway, that's totally fine. I want you to worry more about quality before quantity of the depth of your push-up. And if being on your knees still feels too challenging, feel free to take it up into a higher incline on a bench or a table or even on the railing. And that will help you to be able to work on your chest strength in order to bring you eventually down to the floor and into a full push-up position. Beginning in your plank position, you're going to exhale, draw your right knee towards your left elbow. Inhale there. Exhale to push it back out. Inhale here, left knee to right elbow. Inhale to hold. Exhale to push back out. Lunge with the weight on the opposite side. You're going to inhale as you lower. Exhale to drive back up tall. So a side plank variation here to work on inner thigh work as well as the opposite oblique. So you're going to use a bench or a chair at home. Take the top leg, you're going to bend at your knee, stack it right on top, other leg goes underneath. This wrist is going to go right underneath my shoulder. You're using your inner thigh and this glute mostly to hold yourself up. So you're going to work on this nice long progression of your knee to your hip to your shoulder all in one line. Continuously breathing, exhaling in and out as you hold.